Hi, my name is Joe Studer. I work for Tremco Barrier Solutions out of our headquarters in Reynoldsburg, Ohio. I'm here with Wade Mock. He's our territory manager in the Carolinas, and we're going to be showing Construction Detail EXT 30, which is our brick ledge, EnviroDry brick ledge, self-adhering flashing system for porch installations to prevent water penetration and damage to OSB and plywood behind porches and behind concrete. There's a couple different details that we're going to be going over. But as a general rule, we are going to be protecting the top of the concrete wall and then up. The brick ledge comes in 18-inch sheets. We can overlap them however we see fit to get the right measurements, as long as we have a 3-inch overlap. And we're going to be coming up the wall, whatever market we're in for Toll Brothers, as long as we get past the first floor land board up 30 to 36 inches and protecting that OSB or plywood. So the EnviroDry brick ledge material is it's a rubberized sheet membrane. It is self-adhering. It has a release sheet on the back. Instead of an actual primer, we're going to be using a 3M Super 77 or a Super 90, which is also in our application instructions. Preparation details, we are going to make sure the concrete and the OSB is free of dust, dirt, debris. Make sure it's relatively dry. Make sure it's not soaking wet. There's no standing ice or snow or frost on it. Any nails we're going to nail in. We pinned up the green guard to make sure that's out of our way. We're going to be starting with corner pieces, laying in our sheets horizontally, bottom sheet, proper shingle detail, top sheet, and then we also have a window system with butterfly pieces and then reinforcing pieces. And we're going to be starting with corner pieces and opening the inside corners, make sure everything's clean, do our prep, do our priming, and we also use a linoleum roller as we put in each sheet to get the proper PSI to make sure this sticks good, no fish mouths, no wrinkles. Any penetrations, cut another small sheet, put it over top of it if we happen to stick it through a nail or any type of defect or problem like that. Put it off once. We went from a 3-inch brick ledge kind of down to a 2-inch, so my scissor cut was about a 1/2 inch too far, which left a little gap. So I just put a little patch piece on it.
Now we've measured up 15 inches and drew a line across the porch to know where to put our first roll at. Now we will peel the backing off of the brick flashing and install it with our mark, and be sure to run the flashing out past the edge of the porch.
Beautiful.
Then we roll it in to clean out any bubbles or fish mouths.
Now this is
So in your application, you will install your corner areas of flashing, and then you would come back and install the walls. When turning the flashing down over your brick ledge or foundation wall, Be sure the flashing extends completely out over the brick ledge or foundation wall to help prevent any water from coming up at the sill plate.